like the place.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not what I thought.
Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Hey, Zizu, how are you?
Who is this?
This is my girlfriend. My
and where are you going?
Where mother of my...
Where are you taking her this time? What are you going to do at this time?
I'm going to my house.
Please, Philip, tell me, which workplace does allow employees to go for lunch at this time? It's not even before 9.
Oh, why are you so concerned?
Stop gallivanting here around.
This is my door.
Hey.
Baby.
So you are using force? You are using force.
Wait, mind about your business. This is my house. Your house is the other side.
Philip, come out. Yeah, Sija Kukiriza. Philip, I don't want to lose you because we have lost a lot of young guys like you.